Hello, I'm Craig, and today we will discuss using the VX1 in local mode. What is local mode? Local mode allows you to install the VX1 doorbell in a home that does not currently have home internet. This is helpful in newly constructed, unoccupied homes. This allows for the doorbell to be used like a standard doorbell. There will be no video or notification features through the Total Connect app during this time. The chime adapter is still required for homes with a mechanical chime and certain digital chimes. Failure to install the chime adapter may result in the VX1 no longer functioning. To use the VX1 in local mode, the doorbell must be at firmware 1.727.19 or greater. You can verify the firmware version of the VX1 by looking at the data manufacturer label that seals the box shut. The number on the seal should be 2337 or higher for the doorbell to be at the correct firmware version. Once you verify that the VX1 is on the correct firmware version, you can install the doorbell. You can update an older VX1 by enrolling the doorbell in a Total Connect account through the app and waiting at least 24 hours for the device to update. You can check the firmware version through the General Information section of the Total Connect 2.0 app. Once updated, you can delete the doorbell from the app and place it in local mode. Once the chime adapter is installed on the mechanical chime, wire the doorbell to the home and turn on the power. Remember, minimum power requirements are 16 to 24 volts AC with a 10 VA minimum. The VX1 is shipped with the chime adapter disabled. You can enable the chime once you power up the VX1. Remember, this must be enabled when the home has a mechanical chime and certain digital chimes. To enable the chime, use the reset tool to press the reset button on the back of the VX1 for 40 seconds. The button LED on the front of the VX1 will change from yellow to green. You will hear a chime warning and then hear that the chime has been enabled.
Continue holding to enable the chime. Ensure the chime adapter is installed before continuing. Chime enabled. Ensure chime adapter is installed.
You can follow the same process to turn off the chime. This will complete the setup process until someone moves into the unoccupied home or the home has internet. Now, let's review how to add the doorbell to the Total Connect app. Start by holding the doorbell button down for 10 seconds. The button LED will light up blue. Once the LED is blue, log in to the Total Connect app and go to Cameras to add the doorbell. Follow the in-app instructions to finish enrollment and set up notifications. If you want to learn more about this product and others, check out Resideo Academy. Thanks for watching.